Hedgehogs, with their endearing appearance and distinctive spines, are fascinating creatures that hide some fun and surprising facts. Despite their spiky exterior, they are gentle and nocturnal animals, often foraging for insects and small creatures during the night. One remarkable hedgehog behavior is self-anointing. When they encounter a new scent or substance, they lick or bite it and then spread a frothy mixture of saliva and the new scent onto their spines. The exact purpose of this behavior remains somewhat mysterious. Another interesting fact is that hedgehogs can roll into a tight ball to defend themselves against predators. Their spines provide effective armor, and this curling up action makes them a challenging meal for many would-be attackers. Hedgehogs' quirky appearance and behaviors make them not only cute, but also endlessly captivating creatures.